Hello everyone, welcome you all to our channel K Edifiers. I'm back here with a new lesson, that is passive and active voice, and I must say this part of English grammar is really necessary for the school going students as well as for those who are preparing for their competitive and some other entrances. Okay, and another thing is that what is active voice and what is passive voice. In the active voice, always the subject plays an important role, and in the passive voice the object plays an important role. That is what we need to know, and the meaning of the sentence will remain same. And I am telling you, I'll give you an easiest and most interesting way to change active voice into passive voice. Okay, so here I have written some subject, okay, and object. So why I have written all this? Okay, this part is the subject of active voice, and when we will change the sentence into passive voice, it will convert into as object and will change into these types, right? If the subject is I in the active voice, it will be changed into me in the passive voice, and it will be in the place of objective, right? So that is, you will you will remain as you, then he will change as him, she will change as her, and they, them, we, us. That is what we need to understand. Okay, so I'm just and today we will learn about the sentences of present simple only or simple present. And another thing I just want to let you know, passive and active voice actually, and it is टोटली रिलेटेड टू टेंस. अगर आपका टेंस पूरा क्लियर है देन आपको पैसिव से एक्टिव करने में या फिर एक्टिव से पैसिव करने में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू लर्न. ओके, सो हियर आई एम गोना राइट अ सेंटेंस ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल. I do the work, right? So this sentence is in present simple tense and this is an active voice. नॉर्मली हम जो करते हैं ये सारे सब्जेक्ट यूज होता है, देन दैट सेंटेंस इज इन एक्टिव वॉइस. सो ऑलरेडी हमने जो टेंस पढ़ के आए वहाँ पे हम ऑलरेडी एक्टिव वॉइस के बारे में हमारा थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज आ चुका है. बस हमें इतना जानना है कि उसको हम पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे चेंज करें, राइट? सो ओके, सो हियर व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट? आई. व्हाट थिंग यू हैव टू डू? आई एम टेलिंग यू, हियर you have to change. I had told you passive voice, in active voice the subject plays an important role, but in passive voice the object plays an important role. So in this sentence what is the object? Subject, verb, object, okay, and it is the active voice. Now we are going to change it into passive voice, right? So what is the object here? The work. So in the passive voice, object plays an important role. So you have to take the object to the first part of the sentence. The work. Then you have to point out if the work is singular or plural. The work is singular, so you have to use is. The work is. Then so verb form will must be in verb 3, right? So that is what you have to use. What is the verb here? Do. What is the verb 3 form of do? Done. The work is done. You have to use by when you are changing the sentence into passive voice. The work is done by. What is the subject here? I. It will be changed into me. The work is done by me. Clear? Right? So the structure of passive voice is object plus is, am, are plus verb 3 by subject, right? So in this structure you have to change active voice into passive voice of simple present tense, right? Simple present tense structure you must remember, that is subject plus verb 1 object. We have already completed that one in first part of tense, right? So if you got sentences of this structure and you want to change it into passive voice, you have to apply this structure. I am writing you on another example. Okay. He paints wonderful paintings. Okay, he paints wonderful paintings. So this sentence is in active voice and the structure of the sentence is subject, verb, object. The sentence is in present simple tense. And if we are going to change it into passive voice, first what we have to do? We have to find out the object, right? What is the object here in this sentence? Wonderful paintings. It is the object, right? So the object, as we are going to change it into passive voice, we have to take the object to the first part of the sentence. Okay. Wonderful paintings paintings, it is in plural subject or plural object. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to use are. Wonderful paintings are. What's the verb here? Paints. We have to use the verb 3 form of that verb. Painted. Wonderful paintings are painted by, I had told you, compulsory you have to use by before the subject. Okay, as we are turning it. This part is the object. We took the object to the first part of the sentence and the subject will go to the last part of the sentence. And how, in what object it will change into? He, him, right? Him. Done. Wonderful pictures are painted by him. Okay. Suppose I will say they cooks delicious food. Delicious food is cooked by, they will be changed into them. Sita makes cookies. Cookies made, okay. Cookies, okay, that is I left. Cookies are made by Sita, right? So first thing you have to change, you have to take the object to the first part of the sentence. Then you have to make sure if the subject, that object is singular, plural, then you have to use is, am, are. Then you have to point out the verb and you have to change it into verb 3. Then you have to use by and the subject as the object. Clear? So guys, I hope you understood it properly and thank you all for watching my video and stay tuned. I'll upload more videos on passive and active voice because it is not over in this video only. I need to make more parts of that active and passive voice, because today we got to know only if we got the active voice of simple present tense, then this formula will work out. But there are different kind of tense are there and different kind of sentences we will get. So by likewise we have to convert or change the sentences active to passive. That's why stay tuned. Thank you all.